Now this is serious piece of garden tool. I didn't expect it to be constructed with such heavy-duty material, and it is a beast. Part of my lawn is tightly compacted and the roots need some air. The shoes are a bit heavy, but the spikes worked well, and I think they will last a long time. A bit awkward at first, maybe even a tad funny. They are well made, durable, and worked fantastic. These will last for many seasons. Well worth the money. Likes, thick steel plates for the sole and heavy-duty spikes. Disliked, the ankle/heel strap doesn't work properly. When lifting my foot, my heel kept slipping out of the shoe, even after several attempts to tighten. I think the redesign of the heel part of the boot needs to be redesigned. I'm sending it back today. I'm so happy I bought this, definitely very durable. These were easy to put on and use. And these spikes have no problem at all penetrating it. Marching around the yard, you even get a little workout, and it was fun. One tip is to water a lawn little bit so it's easier for spikes to get in, not too much water. Stainless steel lawn aerator shoes, very sturdy and got the job done. This lawn aerator shoes is made with stainless steel so that it will be heavy duty and durable, so you don't need to worry about breaking and falling. Besides, it has 304 stainless steel spikes that are already assembled. It makes sure that air, water, and nutrients reach deep into your yard soil and makes your grass thicker and healthier without chemicals. I did my front lawn with these. They work well. Gotta be a tight fit though. If your feet are tiny, latch those things down. I wore my running shoes and they fit great. Had to tighten once and that was operator error. I gave them a good rating. Side lawn tomorrow. Maybe. Wink. I really like the product. Easy to use, come fully assembled and gets the job done. The only thing I would improve would be the back strap. I think it needs a much stronger Velcro or something, as it occasionally popped off. I used to have a lot of water sitting on top of the lawn and be huge puddles. After using these spiked shoes, it has made a huge difference, especially with the new grass seeds. Before, the soil was very hard and grass would not grow in a lot of areas. Now it looks amazing. This is a very low price alternative than buying the machine or renting one every year. It is a workout to do, but it is well worth it for the results. Except for figuring out how to walk without my boots coming out, these aeration shoes worked very well. I used them just after it rained. This tool works as intended, but don't think it's a quick fix for your soil compaction problems. First, the tool is well made to last with a metal plate, unlike others which are all plastic and break easily. Second, the Velcro straps work well, although I recommend you don't try to simply slip them on and go. Ensure you thread them correctly and snugly and put them on where you intend to walk. Click link in description for more reviews.